If you're applying for jobs and not hearing back, your resume might be the reason. And I don't mean your experience, I mean how you're presenting it. Let's fix that. These are 7 resume tips that will actually get you noticed for the right reasons. Hey, I'm Chidi Wosu, TEDx alum, executive, and entrepreneur with over a decade of experience hiring, coaching, and helping people step into the roles they deserve. Whether you're job hunting, career switching, or finally going for that next level role, your resume is the first impression. So let's make sure it's not holding you back. Number 1, don't lie. I know people feel pressure to stretch the truth, but don't. It's not worth it. You can position your skills powerfully without making things up. Plus, getting hired for a job you're not actually ready for will backfire fast. Number 2, start with the job you want. Don't just dump your job history into a document. Look at the role you want and ask yourself, what skills do I already have that relate to this? Then highlight those. Frame your experience for the role you're aiming for, not just where you've been. Use the right keywords. Most resumes go through software before a person even sees them. If yours doesn't include the words they're scanning for, it might get rejected by a computer, not a human. Use keywords straight from the job description. Not cheating. It's smart. Number 4, use AI, but don't rely on it. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write and improve your resume, but they're not perfect. You still need to edit it, check for errors, and make sure it actually sounds like you. Let AI help, but you drive. Number 5, cut unnecessary words. No fluff, no long paragraphs, no run-on sentences. Be clear, be direct. If it doesn't add value, take it out. Number 6, simple resume win. No graphics, no headshots, no wild fonts, unless you're in a super creative field. Keep it clean and classic. ATS systems prefer it, and so do most recruiters. Don't over-design your way through an interview. Don't make it too long. And that's number 7. Here's the rule. 1 page for every 5 years of experience. If you're earlier in your career, 1 page is fine. If you're seasoned, 2 pages max. Nobody's reading through your 4-page autobiography. So quick recap. Be honest, be strategic, keep it clean, and make every word count. Your resume should tell the best version of your truth, clearly, confidently, and without distraction. If this helped, drop hired energy in the comments and don't forget to like or subscribe for real advice to help you level up. Let's get you into the room you belong in.